Hello everyone and welcome once again to Taste of Thoughts with Dr. Irina. Dr. Irina, how are you today?
Wonderful, thank you.
That's great.
How are you doing?
I'm doing wonderfully as well. And what do you have prepared for us for a menu today?
I think it's like spring, right?
It is
Happy
spring. It's springtime
finally
here.
We have such a great weather.
Yeah.
And in spring we don't want to spend more time cooking, and we don't want heavy things to eat either, right? So let's make something very simple, very quickly, very healthy, because it is asparagus, it is prosciutto.
Prosciutto and asparagus.
Prosciutto, and
Okay.
we'll make very refreshing fresh salad.
Okay,
And
a fresh
that's it.
salad as well.
So
That's good.
in 15 minutes it will be done, and it's very nice lunch or light dinner. Yeah.
So you cut in the end off the
Yeah,
asparagus?
we'll cut it, and remember we once did it, and we need to place them there. So all we need to do, we are taking a slice of prosciutto. Prosciutto almost, it doesn't have any fats at all, and it is so deliciously, prosciutto is smoked.
Smoked,
I don't know, I'm
I don't
asking
know.
you.
but it's very thin.
Very thin and delicious.
And it's
is
very
the
lean.
Taste is, yes, yes, this is what I want.
That's nice. You're wrapping the asparagus
So, I'm wrapping the asparagus
in the
will-
prosciutto.
And we need the oven preheated to 400.
It's at 400 right now.
One.
It's being preheated as we speak.
See, having a thick asparagus is even better for this case. And most of, this Italian cold cuts.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
they're delicious.
I do. I do know about Italian cold cuts. They are delicious.
They're delicious. And mostly they're lean. Lean. You see, it cuts so thin that it is
It's very thin.
even
Yeah.
difficult to
Yeah, it's a little tricky handling it because it's so thin.
Yes. So this is actually all you need to do. We'll fit here several, maybe 6, 8, maybe even pairs. So we'll have light but satisfying meal.
It'll be a
So
light meal.
You're not
It'll be
going
light.
to be
This is a
hungry
nice.
after.
This is a nice, for example, an outdoors meal. If you're on the patio
Right.
in the springtime or the summertime.
Exactly, yes. Actually, you can grill it on the grill,
You can grill
even
it?
outside.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but I find it more like doing it inside the kitchen. But if you like, it will work too. Oh, it's nice.
So it's fairly simple so far, really.
Oh, yes.
I think one more. What do you
You
think?
can assign someone for help. Yes, maybe even 2 more.
Okay.
But it is not all. We will spice this a little bit with some things. Enough? Or will fit another one?
I don't know. That looks like enough for now.
Enough.
Don't you think?
Looks like enough for now. Yeah. How we are going to spice it? We'll get some salt, just a little bit.
A little salt,
A little salt, lemon.
lemon. There's some
Oi.
fresh lemon right there.
Fresh lemon, olive oil,
Olive oil. Okay. So far, all the great ingredients.
yes, and I have this kind of cheese.
100% pure sheep's milk crumbles.
Crumbles. Sounds good. And
right.
I am going to use it for salad, but I think we can sprinkle it on this meal too.
Put a little there. Okay, we get a little sheep cheese on here.
Just for fun.
Just for fun, right?
Well, the only thing left, we'll add some pepper. And I like using lemon pepper for this purpose.
Lemon pepper, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me see that for a second. Here we go.
This is it.
Lemon pepper. Wow.
Yeah.
That says it right there. Trader Joe's.
Now, now we'll put it to the preheated
Preheat it to
toaster,
400 degrees.
400 degrees. And let's put the timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Okay, we're going to have 12 minutes.
Meanwhile, we'll make a salad.
Okay, salad coming up.
Will be exactly enough time for salad. So green mix. You can use any mix, but I like this colorful things. And I'll add some fruit there. Usually strawberries and blueberries are going well with spring mix. So this is what I use. This is the season for strawberries.
That's a good size strawberry right
there,
there.
so-
Beauty.
Yeah, they're very sweet too, very delicious. One more.
Looks beautiful. Nice red color,
Yes,
along with those green leaves.
right.
All we're missing is a little bit of blue. Blue would be nice.
Oh yes, and we have it. We have it. We are not missing it actually.
Ah, there we go with the blue. Blueberries.
Let's spice it a little bit, right?
Sure.
Let's get salt. And we'll use raspberry,
Dark raspberry, everyday gourmet balsamic vinegar.
yes.
Yes.
Since we have here berries, we'll add some raspberry.
And of course some oil, olive oil.
And of course some alfalfa.
Of course.
And we'll mix it. Look,
You know, this
it's so
looks
beautiful. It is,
look
I
how
don't want
beautiful.
even.
It looks
I don't
absolutely
want to
beautiful.
mix it. But we'll mix it.
Okay,
And we'll sprinkle it with cheese.
you're going to toss that salad. You know, it's very simple to make, isn't it?
That is, yes, nothing to me, but still it is salad. It is not just so you serve a salad, not just vegetables and berries and greens. So when it is all together and with olive oil, it is much better. It looks better and it tastes great. You see, it takes exactly, not exactly, but this is the same amount of time as asparagus is going to be.
Didn't take
Alright,
much time at all, really.
Yes, let me add just for decoration because
Of course.
our berries are anywhere inside and
We need
don't
more.
see them.
We need more red.
More red.
We need more red.
Wait, we have also white. Oh, this is a good salad for Independence Day, for 4th of
That's
July.
right, 4th of July. This is a great one. Red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue.
Ah,
We'll sprinkle this.
there we go with the cheese.
I think it's nice. It's nice.
Great presentation. It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful. So we'll wait for asparagus, just several minutes left, and then we can have a light dinner or very nice lunch.
A very nice lunch, I think. That's going to work out great. Well, I think it's ready.
It is.
Okay, let's see what that does now. I can see it's still bubbling. It's pretty hot.
Oh yes, it is.
Very
it
nice.
was 400
Looks good.
degrees. Looks good. Try.
Okay.
Oh, it's really, really nice. I like it. Like there are many ways to cook asparagus, and we were cooking it several times here. But this is a good combination of greens and the protein of meat and cheese. So it is not just like veggies that you can still be hungry, but eating this meal, you are really satisfy your appetite, and you are.
This will satisfy my appetite. I can tell you that. And it is. You're getting vegetables and you're getting protein with meat and cheese. So it's a good combination.
Very good combination. This is it?
Well, this looks absolutely beautiful, Irina. It's colorful.
Yes.
And like you say, it has so many things in it, vegetables. It has protein with the meat.
Yes, yes.
You know, we have strawberries and blueberries and salad. It's just wonderful.
I think so.
And so now they say the proof is in the tasting, right?
Right. And would you like salad right now?
Yes.
Or what?
Let's get some of that salad in there. All
Oh,
right.
this
Oof,
raspberry vinegar.
that's right. Raspberry vinegar as well.
Oh.
And this is, you know, it's good anytime to have this, but it's especially good in the
Yes.
springtime if you want to make this indoors and then go outdoors and eat it.
Oh, yes, yes.
It's
absolutely,
a
yes.
very, it's light, but it's good, it's fast, it's nutritional.
Absolutely, and olive oil and cheese and all
Well, let's
spices.
give the taste test.
And really, when the weather is warm, you don't want to eat something heavy.
You don't want to eat anything heavy, I suppose, huh?
I like when it is a little bit sweet, and the greens are not sweet, but berries are sweet. And it is getting very.
And the
Interesting
asparagus
sauce.
with prosciutto. I'm going to try this out. This looks great.
Very good. I found it.
That's a great
better-
combination.
Yes, and it is not as fatty as with bacon. And I found prosciutto is
I like
better
it.
combination.
I
with
like it better the combination than bacon, right?
Yeah. Delish. Wonderful. And it was what, like 14 minutes? Everything.
Didn't take long at all.
No.
Wrap the prosciutto around the asparagus. Put it in the 400-degree oven for about 10, 12
12
minutes.
minutes.
12 minutes. Takes care of that. Then you make the salad, and what a great little lunch we have here. So I want to mention once again, as we always do here, that Dr. Irina has authored a book. It's called Taste of Thoughts, and she also has a website, which has a
Yes.
lot of great.
Getting bigger and bigger the
Recipes.
website because like lots of recipes.
That's right. Well, thank you very much, Dr.
Thank-
Irina.
Sure,
That's,
enjoy.
that's our program for
Enjoy.
today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Mm.
It's really
So good.
light